We are at Portside Marine in the 2014 Boston Boat Show. The new M350, 2014 model year. One of Mercury's best and finest. It's the Cadillac of inflatables with a 40 horsepower on it. Here we are with the Repower 357. The full big lineup, along with all the smaller motors. Mercury's inflatable lineup. Here you are with the sport version, inflatable deck, the Ocean Runner, and the Dynamic Series inflatables. And new for 2014, the M570, 18-foot, hard bottom, inflatable, center console, bolster seat that turns into a leaning post, with a 115. Beautiful addition for 2014. So come on down, Portside Marine, Boston Boat Show, 2014.